Want to display your iPhone screen on your Tesla Model Y's display? This tutorial will show you how using Apple CarPlay. As of late 2025, Tesla's wireless CarPlay integration makes it simple to mirror your iPhone screen to your car's 15-inch touchscreen. This allows you to use apps like Maps, Spotify, YouTube, and more. Note, this requires a Tesla Model Y manufactured in 2020 or later with the 2020.5 software update or newer, and an iPhone running iOS 12 or later. Apple CarPlay is the technology that enables wireless screen mirroring from your iPhone to your Tesla Model Y's infotainment system. CarPlay uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct to establish the connection. Your Tesla acts as a hotspot, so it doesn't require an external Wi-Fi network to project the content. For safety while driving, CarPlay enforces restrictions such as voice-only commands for messaging apps. Not all iPhone apps mirror perfectly. Only those compatible with CarPlay, like Maps, music, and podcasts, display fully. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS, such as iOS 18.2 as of 2025, and connected to cellular data or Wi-Fi. On your Tesla Model Y, go to Settings, then Software, and select Check for Updates to ensure you have the most up-to-date CarPlay integration from Tesla. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Select Allow CarPlay while locked to let your Tesla connect even when your phone is locked. Then, choose your Tesla Model Y from the list of available cars, which should appear after Bluetooth pairing. This step establishes a secure connection. Now for step 3. Pair your iPhone via Bluetooth to the Tesla. Start by tapping the Bluetooth icon at the top of the Tesla screen. On the Bluetooth screen that appears, select the option to pair your iPhone. You may be prompted to enter a pairing code. Accept the pairing request on your iPhone. This Bluetooth connection establishes the initial trust relationship between your phone and the car. Once Bluetooth is connected, park the vehicle to begin the mirroring process. Then, enable CarPlay in your Tesla's Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select CarPlay to activate it. The iPhone screen should automatically mirror, displaying a CarPlay interface on the Tesla's display. Swipe up on the Tesla screen to access the full iPhone mirror if needed. This is where your apps should start appearing. Now that CarPlay is active, you can cast specific content from your iPhone to the Tesla screen. Simply open an app on your iPhone, such as Safari, to play a video, and the content should automatically appear on the Tesla's display through CarPlay. For apps that aren't fully compatible with CarPlay, Tesla may support AirPlay for full-screen mirroring, though this depends on your vehicle's software version. Keep in mind that Tesla's system prioritizes safety, so some app features may be limited or restricted while driving to prevent distractions. If mirroring fails, restart both your iPhone and Tesla. Check for interference from other Bluetooth devices. Ensure both devices have adequate battery. In areas with weak Wi-Fi or Bluetooth interference, you may experience connectivity issues. Keep your software current, as Tesla updates often address these issues. Disconnect by exiting the vehicle or disabling CarPlay in Settings. Stay safe and enjoy your mirrored screen.